Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel AK Cooks, and today I'm doing one of Bangladeshi dish. It's a fish dish and it's called fish bhaji, and I will show you. In Bengali we call it like masbiran, and I'm gonna show you how I do my masbiran. A lot of people ask me to do that one, and so here's for everybody who asks me. So I'm gonna show the ingredient. I have that fish is a Bangladeshi fish, and that fish called rui or something like this. So, and this is the fish spice. Like I'm gonna use that maybe about half a teaspoon. It's very nice, and I'm just gonna use half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and just a little bit chili powder and coriander powder, and I'm using two medium-sized onion, and I cut it to like not like fine chop but long way I cut it. And I got 3 garlic cloves, small cut, and 4 green chilies in there, and some coriander. So I'm gonna start cooking now. So I'm gonna marinate the fish first. So I'm gonna just a pinch of salt in there, and about pinch of like turmeric powder, and a half a teaspoon of that fish spice. You could get any Asian shop, and pinch of coriander, and a curry powder as well, another pinch. And I'm gonna give it a little bit of red chili powder. That's it, and I'm gonna marinate and keep it for 10 minutes. So I just finished marinated, and I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes. So I just heated up the pan, and I need a big pan as well because the fish. So I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm using vegetable oil. So I'm just gonna give it a couple of seconds to heat up, and it's a medium gas. So you have to be hot before you put the fish in there. Should be fine now. I'm gonna put it on. Just put one by one slowly. That's it, and it's gonna take like about 3 to 4 minutes each side. So I'm gonna leave it for a couple of minutes. So it's been 4 minutes, and I'm gonna send the fish now. I need to see coming nice color. That's what I need. Nice and crispy outside and inside soft. So I'm going to leave it another few minutes for that side. So the both side is done now. That's like another more than 3 minutes, less than 4 minutes was. So it's done. I'm going to keep it on the side to rest it for a while, and I'm going to show you the next step. Just going to heat up another pan. You have to have a big pan like this, and I put the gas high now. So I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, It should be a little bit more than 2 tablespoons. So I'm just adding a pinch of methi, dry methi in there. And I'm gonna add the garlic and the green chili. Give it a mix. My heat is high now. So my heat is high now. I'm just gonna put it into medium now. So it's medium heat now. Just need the garlic to get a little bit golden brown, and it's getting there. Be careful, it's quite hot. So I'm just gonna add the onions. And about half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to give it a mix now. And put the lid on for a couple of minutes. And it's set in a medium. So I'm just taking the lid off now, and as you can see, the garlic and green chilies, everything, and the onions are all soft. That's what I need. So I'm just gonna add the spices. I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and that's it, nothing else. So I'm just going to give about 2 minutes to everything gets mixed well. And leave it for 2 minutes. So this is how it's now. Sorry about before I said 2 minutes, but it just went to 4 minutes. So that should be fine. So that's what I need. This is the... I'm just gonna leave the heat for a very low now, and I'm just gonna get the fish back. I'm just gonna add all the onions in there. So it's all there now. I'm just gonna add. So it's done now. Thank you for watching my video, and hopefully inshallah I'll see you in my next video. Take care, and please do like and comment and subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.